In this video, I will show you how to see deleted WhatsApp messages. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using two different WhatsApp accounts to show you the process on how to see these WhatsApp deleted messages. My first account here will be called WhatsApp A. The first account, I differentiated it. The first account is on dark mode, while the second account, which is account B, will be on light mode. So this is the first account. Let me show you guys the second account. The second account is on light mode. This is the second account. This is my second account. So I'll be using the first account to message the second account. For example, let's send a message across. As you can see, I've received the message in my second account. That's the account B. Let's go to account B. You can see the message here. This is the message. So let's go back to the first account again. Let's send another message. We've sent another message. We won't open that message. So let's delete this message we sent to the account B. You delete for everyone. We've deleted that message. You can see you deleted this message. So let's go to account B to see the message. You can see this message was deleted. So how are you going to see this deleted message now is what I'm going to show you. So for you to see this deleted message now, all you need to do is to minimize your screen. You go to your Google Play. You look for this app, notification history log. You download it. I've already downloaded it in my phone, so I just need to open it. If I should open it, you see. You check for my WhatsApp message, you see. As you can see, this is the deleted WhatsApp message saying, "How are you?" This is the deleted WhatsApp message. So guys, that is it on how to see deleted WhatsApp message. I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.